Booleans in Python. Booleans are a fundamental data type in Python, representing truth values. They help make decisions and control the flow of a program. Booleans can have one of two values, true or false. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use Booleans in Python. Let's start with creating Boolean variables. Assigning true or false to a variable is straightforward. Here we create a Boolean variable called isHappy and assign true to it. Now let's see how Booleans result from comparisons using relational operators like less than, greater than, equals to, and not equal to. In this code block, we compare x and y using the greater than operator, which checks if x is greater than y. Since 5 is greater than 3, the result is true. Booleans also come into play with logical operators like and, or, and not. They help us combine and manipulate Boolean values. Here we use the and operator to determine if both is raining and has umbrella are true. Since has umbrella is false, stay dry is also false. When using and true produce true, false produce false, and true produce false. Next, we'll use the or operator. The or operator checks if at least one of has umbrella or has raincoat is true. Since has raincoat is true, stay dry is now true. When using the or operator, true produce true, false produce false, and true or false produce true. Finally, let's look at the not operator. The not operator inverts the truth value of stay dry, resulting in stay wet being false. Booleans in Python are essential for decision-making and controlling program flow. They can be created by assigning true or false to variables, or through comparisons and logical operators. Understanding Booleans is crucial for writing efficient, flexible code.